Welcome back to my channel, Dooney Addicts. I wanted to record a quick video and post about my Dooney and Bourke Carrington. So a couple of weeks back, I actually was at the movie theater and had purchased popcorn with extra butter. Don't judge me. And after I was done with the popcorn, I decided that I wasn't sure if I wanted any more, so I was just going to roll the bag, and I sat it in top of my purse. Probably a bad mistake, but it was resting on top of my Carrington. And when I got out of the movie theater, what I noticed was that there were two grease spots on the back of my Carrington where the oil from the popcorn actually seeped through the bag and onto the leather. So I thought I was going to film when I got home, but I was in a panic mode trying to make sure that I could get as much of the oil removed as possible. Was out to dinner tonight here in Virginia and noticed that there is no residue, no remnant. You can't see where the oil was. But I wanted to share with you really quick what I did. So I got home and took my items out of my Carrington pouch so that it would lay flat. And I grabbed regular household baking soda and I covered that spot very, very heavily, and I let it sit overnight. And then the next morning, I took that baking soda, because baking powder is different. Baking soda, I took it off, dust off the residue, gave it a little bit to breathe, and then put fresh baking soda on top of it again so that it could continue to absorb the oil. And I'm pretty proud of it. I wish that I had recorded it, but again, I was in panic mode, just trying to think of what can I do to get this off of my leather, and there is no trace of it. What I will say is that I must be loving this way too much, because I'm starting to get a little bit of lifting here on my letters on the front. But that's okay, because as you can tell, she's softened up. She's well loved, and I am really enjoying her. I will probably switch out maybe Memorial Day weekend to carry something different with me to Chicago. But just wanted to share with you baking soda. If you have any stains, before you try to condition, before you try to clean, just try a natural baking soda coated and see if it will actually relieve some of the staining before you try to apply any kind of chemicals for cleaning or treatment. That's all I have. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, I do hope that you're finding something that feeds your Dooney addiction. Take care.